like she does. She does, yeah, she does. Does someone ever love me like she do? Yeah, she do me. Yes, she does. Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Today we are checking out Don't Let Me Down by the Beatles. Some really, really tasty guitar bits going on in this, and I will show you the little kind of lead line that happens in the verse as well. It just sounds a little bit odd on its own, and I couldn't sing over that last riff there just because I can't get playing it and singing at the same time together. I've had a bit of a go, but it's going to take ages, so I just thought I'd play it for you. And if you feel up for the challenge of singing over that, then more power to you. Lovely little bit of Hendrixisms going on here. Okay, we're starting here with the open E. This is all like an E chord. It's the Hendrix stuff. It's the foundation. So here we're going for the open E then. You want to learn that first. So it's 9th to 11th fret on the 5th string, hammer on. 9th fret on the 4th string. Then the 11th fret on the 4th string, 9th fret on the 4th string still, then 9, 12, 11 on the 5th string. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Start with that. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And once you got that, you can start doing a little bar with the first finger, just pushing through each time to get 2 notes. So you're playing, but each time you're playing the string beneath it as well. Obviously not for the hammer on. And the last one, you got that nice little hammer on. This is part of a G-shaped bar chord. You can recognize an E chord. 1. Don't let me F sharp minor. If you want, you can do a little lift up thing here with the 3rd and 4th fingers. Now you got to pick up that accent there. Don't let me down. Crotchet triplets. Then when it goes back to the E. Don't let me F sharp minor. Don't let me E riff. Just practice that first. If you want to, you can go. Up the top here. F sharp minor. Now, after you hit that last one going into the next section, there's actually a bar of 5/4, and I think that most big Beatles fans would probably just naturally be able to do it, but if you're trying to count 4 through it, it doesn't work. There's an extra beat in there. So after it's going, nobody ever loved me like she does. That's a bar of 5. She does. It's still F sharp minor, but there's that little riff to E. And here again. Nobody ever loved me like she do. It's a bar of 5. Should mention 1, 2, and 3, and 4. The rhythm 2, 2, and 3, and 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. That's 1, 2, 2, 3, E and 4. 1, 2, 3, E and 4 would be the count there for that strumming part. Now there's also, that's most of the song, so it's like this F sharp minor to E is the chord thing. But there's also in the verses, when it goes to the F sharp minor, rather than playing the big chord, there's this really nice lovely E major 7. So this is just the 14th fret, thinnest 2 strings, plays that once, slides it down to the 12th fret, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So this is kind of outlining the F sharp minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and. That's 9th fret. Then putting second finger down the 10th fret to outline this chord. That's 3 and 4 and. That's the 11th fret on the 3rd string. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. But it's very loose. It's got to be chilled and really relaxed, that part. And it's not exactly the same all the time. Later in the song, it's a little bit of double stoppage there. It's just outlining that F sharp minor. It's one of those ones where if you really want to nail it down, if you're playing in a Beatles tribute band, then you might want to really take notes of exactly what notes are played and how and when. But for most of us, I think it's just having, especially if you've got a 2-guitar thing, one person playing these chords there and the other one being able to go. It's just a nice second part, you know. The F sharp minor and then going to the E. How lovely is that? So open thickest E, muting the A string, then 9th fret, 8th fret, 9th fret, and possibly with the open string. Gives that nice clash there, which sounds super, super nice. Really like that. So that's going over this F sharp minor to the E. It's actually just going over the F sharp minor. Such a nice tune. There's so many nice little bits in this. Speaking of nice bits, let's check out that riff there, because there's a little bit of awkward thing that. Such a nice little riff this, but a little bit tricky. So open thicker string, 2nd fret on the 4th string, 1st, back to the 2nd, 4th fret on the 5th string, 2nd fret on the 4th string again, 2nd fret on the 5th string, back to 2nd fret on the 4th string, then to 4th fret on the thicker string, back again to the 2nd fret on the 4th string, and then 2nd fret on the thicker string, and back again. So it's using this note is a pedal tone, and it's 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now I've been using my thumb on that. You might find it easier to swap the fingering around. You don't like using your thumb over the top, but that's important to get the rhythm right as well. Okay, the second part of this now, based off of the B chord, is this 2nd fret, then 4th fret, 1st fret, but it's kind of a little slide up I hear. So 2nd fret, 4th fret on the 4th string to the 1st fret on the 4th string, staying on the 4th string, 7th fret, 4th fret, then 6th fret to 2nd fret, 4 on still on the 4th string, 1, 2, 4th fret on the 5th string, back to 1st fret, and then it repeats that whole 2-bar sequence. let's do all of that again. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. There are many different fingering options for that riff, and I've been playing around with a few, trying to watch some videos and catch what it might have actually really been. This one, I've kind of gone by the inflections that I hear, where I'm hearing notes slide backwards and forwards. But there are lots of different ways of playing this riff, and I'm not professing to say like this is definitely the right fingering or the right option, but it seems, it's my best guess. I've been doing this for a while, so it's a kind of an educated guess, but it might not be the perfect fingering. And feel free to explore other fingerings anyway. So even no matter what it was that George played, you should be exploring other fingerings and seeing like what feels good for you, because the music has to feel good when you play it. That's the most important thing. This is a really great fun jamming song as well, just because it's based around the F sharp minor and the E major pentatonic. You can blast out F sharp minor pentatonic works as well, or picking out chord tones from the F sharp minor I think works really well, and then E major pentatonic over the E. But you can kind of let your ear go with this as well. You know, it's that kind of, the harmony is fairly simple, so you can push it out. You can stretch a little bit and see where it takes you, and trying to get it a bit bluesy or whatever. You know, it's just a lovely jamming tune. Yeah. Just a really fun song. I really hope you enjoyed it. Really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button and the bell if you want to get notified when I'm doing the live things. Do go and check out the website if you haven't been over there for a while. There's plenty of new stuff going on over there all the time. Really extensive dashboard. I think it's looking pretty cool. Hopefully you'll dig it. I'll see you for plenty more lessons very soon. You'll take care of yourselves. Have a great day. Bye.